If you attend a lot of meetings, you already know how difficult it can be to keep track of everything that was discussed. Taking notes while trying to stay focused on the conversation is not always easy, and sometimes you miss important details. But tools like Fireflies AI can automatically record, transcribe, and summarize your meetings for you. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to use Fireflies AI to capture meetings automatically even if you're completely new to the platform. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up and follow along. Let's dive in. What is Fireflies AI? Fireflies AI is an AI-powered meeting assistant. It automatically records meetings, converts speech into text, and organizes the information so you can review it later. Instead of writing notes manually, the platform listens to the meeting and generates a transcription for you. It also identifies key highlights, action items, and important topics. So instead of you having to sit down and listen at the same time, try to catch the most important parts and write notes, this platform will do all of that for you, and everything that is being discussed in the meeting will automatically be saved. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you attend multiple meetings every week. Now, who is Fireflies AI for? Fireflies AI is commonly used by remote teams, sales teams, and also consultants. In addition, project managers and business owners. Basically, anyone who attends meetings and wants to keep accurate records can benefit from using this tool. Now, how would you set up Fireflies? Once you have tapped on the link in the description, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. From here, you're going to tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started, you will be redirected to the sign up page. You can sign up using your email address. Keep in mind, with Fireflies, it will recommend that you sign up using your credit card, but it won't charge you, as you'll be given a 7-day free trial period. So don't worry, it won't charge your credit card. So you can simply tap on Get Started. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to a home page just like this. Once on the home page, and by the way, once on the home page, it's quite straightforward. As you can see, the layout is clean and professional. Fireflies AI automatically integrates with the Google Calendar or Apple Calendar that you have signed up with. Once you have done that, let's say for example, we would like to connect Fireflies to a live meeting, so I can show you how it works. We'll go over to the top right hand corner and tap right beside Capture. Then you're going to tap on Add Live Meeting, and you can see that you're given 4 different options. You can either choose to add to live meeting, schedule new meeting, or upload audio or video that you would like to transcribe, or start a recording. For this example, we're going to tap on Add Live Meeting. You can give your meeting a name. After naming the meeting, you'll simply put in the meeting link. So for example, I'm going to be connected to this Google Meet. So all I'll need to do is simply paste the meeting link right here. After you have added the meeting link, you'll tap on Start Capturing, and you're just going to tap on Open Meeting. After you have selected Open Meeting, from here you will simply tap on Switch here, and you can see how it looks, and you'll see a pop-up in the top right hand corner. All you'll need to do is simply admit, and let's say I were to connect. After you have done that, you can see right there that I've connected someone, and if I were to tap on Admit Guest, you can also see that Fireflies AI wants to come in, so I'll tap on Admit also, and this is how it will look. So you have you, as you can see right here, Dose of Wisdom. You also have your team members or whomever you're on the meeting with, and you'll also have Fireflies AI, as you can see right there. And you can start recording your meeting, and if anyone has anything to say or participate, they'll automatically join in. And if it's a case that you would like to ask Fireflies AI anything during the meeting, all you'll need to do is simply mention it, and from there you'll be able to ask them questions. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on End, just like that. After you have ended the meeting, from there you can return to your Fireflies homepage. Once you have recorded the meeting, if you were to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Meetings, from there, you can tap on All Meetings and you'll see the meetings that you have recorded. Now, all you need to do is simply select the meeting that you would like to get the transcription for, and you can see how it would look. Now, let's say, for example, I were to use this recording. After selecting the recording, you will see that you are given timestamps And you can also use their summary feature, so you have different options. And if it's a case that you would like to ask any questions or find out about a particular section of that meeting, all you'll need to do is simply tap on Ask Fred in the top right hand corner. And from there, you'll be able to talk to the Fireflies AI. And from there, you'll be given different information about the meeting. As you can see right here, you can ask different questions and it will quickly go into the transcription and it will find the related information, as you can see right there. So that is a major standout feature. And with Fireflies AI, you also are given a search and organize meeting note. With Fireflies AI, another helpful feature is the search function. You can search across all your meeting transcriptions. So for example, you could go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, you could select meetings and you could select all meetings. After selecting all meetings, you can tap right here where you see Ask Anything from Meetings. And you could search across all your meetings transcriptions. So for example, you could search for words like marketing campaign, client proposal, or so on, and Fireflies will show the meetings where those topics were discussed. This makes it easy to find information without replaying entire recordings. Now, when it comes on to pricing with Fireflies AI, while you can get started for completely free, their paid plan, if we were to go onto their pricing page, starts off at $18 per month and it can go up to $39 per month. Keep in mind there are numerous features that you can try out with Fireflies AI. If I were to go back to the main dashboard, you can see that they also have voice agents that you can use. This is a new feature. They also have AI skills that you can also try out. So there are numerous features that you can quickly try out when it comes onto Fireflies AI. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons. First, it saves time by automatically transcribing meetings. Second, it helps capture important details that might otherwise be missed. Third, transcripts are searchable, which makes it easy to review past conversations. And last but definitely not least, the summaries and actions items help teams stay organized. And when it comes onto pullbacks, there are a few limitations. For example, transcriptions accuracy can sometimes vary depending on audio quality, and like most AI tools, it may occasionally misinterpret words in noisy environments. However, for most meetings, the transcripts are very useful and accurate. In conclusion, if you attend frequent meetings and want an easier way to capture important information, Fireflies AI can be a powerful tool. Instead of juggling note-taking and conversations at the same time, you can focus on the meeting while the AI handles documentation. For teams, this can make collaboration and follow-ups much easier.